The second thing, agents, I wanted them to get more comfortable with or get okay with being uncomfortable with is your sales process. I work with a lot of agents. I have a lot of cocky agents under me, and they say, I'm the best salesperson out there. My closing ratio is 100%. If your closing ratio is 100%, then you are taking orders. You are not selling anything, and there is little to no value in an order taker. You need to provide value by educating your clients on what they're still susceptible to. Guys, I want you guys, if you're uncomfortable with bringing up additional products, we need to change our mindset and think about what happens if I don't. You've heard a lot of really wonderful people today talking about cross-selling. You need to focus on what happens if I don't educate somebody about the non-medical cost of cancer, about the cost of living in a nursing home, about the costs associated with heart attacks and strokes. I'm under the belief, I really do feel, that we are very close to not bringing up additional product lines being an E&O claim. Because if you're advising people the way that you're promising to advise them, and they incur a cost that you didn't advise them about, seems like it'd be a pretty easy E&O claim there. So I'll tell you a quick story because I'm almost out of time. I was working with an agent. You guys might know his name, Mike Roth. He works with Senior Insurance Marketing. He's the big dog in charge there. We did a training with him a couple weeks ago in Denver. And as he's standing on the stage, he's talking, and the day before he was telling us a story, he got a call from one of his clients. This training was on a Wednesday. That Tuesday, he got a call from one of his clients. And he said that he had a client call with her, had a couple sales presentations with her, didn't have time to sell the cancer product, so he said, I'll just come back the next time in a couple months and get that cancer sale. Well, guys, life gets in the way. You're not going to go back. Don't lie to yourself. You're not going to go back. In the middle of this training that we did, this grown man breaks down and just starts crying. Because the day before, he got a call from his client saying, I need to change my addresses. I am moving across the country. She was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. She could, on a Medicare supplement, could not afford the travel back and forth to the cancer treatments, could not afford somebody to come in and take care of her, clean up after her in her house, could not afford to have cancer, so she was moving across the country to live with her daughter, where it was going to be easier for her. We need to get uncomfortable with what happens if we don't talk about these products, guys.